Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today Vienna has her very first pet treater bag. Do you want to know what's in her bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so she received her very first pet treater bag. If you guys did watch her last unboxing last month, we told you we're not doing BarkBox any longer, and I found a new one to replace it for you guys, and that is this one. And I was super excited to tell you guys about it, because not only is this just for dogs, this one has them for cats. So every time we would do our BarkBox, I know there were a lot of you guys who are cat lovers or would have cats and dogs, and you would ask if they would do cats, and they didn't. This company does them both. So I'm super excited. So not only if you have cats or if you have dogs, you can enjoy the subscription just as much. And the good thing about them is they have different things to offer. So for example, for the dog pack, you can pay $15 a month, and that one will include 3 to 4 selected items with a variety of super fun toys, mostly USA and Canada made treats, never China, and extra goodies. So you get some toys, some treats, and it's a small box, and it's $15 per month. Or you can do the deluxe pack. You didn't get any of these, so don't get excited just yet. The deluxe pack is $25 a month. That one is filled with 5 to 8 hand selected items, same extra goodies. You get toys, treats, that kind of thing. But that's not all. They have a treat only. So if you don't want any toys and you just want the treats, that one is $18 a month, and you get no toys, just 3 to 4 mostly USA and Canada made treats. Again, never China. Or you can do the toy only box. And now that's what you got. Yes, that's what you got. The toy only box is $18 every month. You get 3 to 4 hand selected fun toys. So that is what we did, huh? Yes, that's what she's getting, and it's free shipping. I even emailed them to make sure, because I thought that was too good to be true. Normally when things are too good to be true, they are. So I emailed them to ask before I signed up, and they're like, nope, that's all. There's free shipping. It's the $18 a month. There's no hidden fees. I'm like, then sign me up. So the cat pack, they have 2 different options when it comes to cats. So the cat pack is $15 a month. You get 3 to 4 hand selected items, and that is toys, treats, and extra goodies. Or you can do the multi cat pack, which is $25 a month, and you get 5 to 8 hand selected items featuring a variety of super fun toys, and then treats, again, USA and Canada, never China, and some extra goodies. So you have 2 different options with the cat. So if you want a small box or the large box, and then the dog, you have the small versus the large. But then with the dog one, you can do treats only or toys only. It does say that the first month will be our welcome pack, full of pet approved favorites. Welcome packs ship right away within about 14 business days, and then the standard order will follow. Standard orders usually ship around the middle of the month is what they're saying. So this should be her very first welcome bag, and then next month will be like the normal monthly, but it's always going to be toys, and I'm so excited. But again, since I'm making her own food and treats, she doesn't need to get treats from anywhere else anymore. So I'm so excited to get a toy only, that they're really nice and affordable, free shipping, and she sticking her head down inside. She's like, oh, that's mine. And I'm so excited. Okay, so there's some papers inside, a smarter approach to pet care. So they do have some little flyers, ask a vet. And then this one here says, what is this one? Congratulations, Ariel. Oh, look how cute that little puppy is. Well, it's not really little, but it's a cute puppy. It says, be our next pick of the litter. Email us your pet photo for a chance to become our pick of the litter, and we'll send you a free item. So if you do get this, take a picture with your furry friend, if it's a dog or a cat, and send it to them, and you could be featured on their little flyer. That is so cool. So let's dive in and see which toys she has. Let me get her off of my leg for a second, because I don't want her to fall. Sit on your butt. Thank you. So let's, for one though, look at how cute this bag is. It has the dog and the cat. And then there's these little, there's this down here. That's super cute. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna pull out, whoa, and that's a big one. Oh, one thing that they did ask is like her weight and that kind of thing. So they do send toys based on her weight category. So this is a bug repellent, not a repellent, it's a repellent. And it says long-lasting protection from mosquitoes. Ooh, can we douse this all over you? Because her and I both get bit by mosquitoes. Like, it's crazy. And I think that's cute. It does have like one little pull, like little rope situation on this side. Is there a squeaker? Ooh, I think this might be the one that I accidentally squeezed today at work when that came. She's at my work. She sleeps under my desk in her bed, and I accidentally squeezed it, and she perked up like I've never seen her little ears flip so fast before. And I'm like, nope, that's not yours. And she's looking at me like, bitch, I heard it. Don't tell me I didn't hear that. And I'm like, that's not for you. Don't worry. Mind your business. And she just kept staring at me like, I know you have something. So this was it. So look at your toy. Ooh, is that your new toy? She's like, give it to me. Ooh, is that she won't let me have it back. Can I see that? Hold on. Okay, so can I show them first? Can I show them? Look. So that's what it looks like, and it's a mosquito repellent. It even has like verbiage all on the back, but my little one wants it, so there she can have it. Let me pull what's next out of her bag. How cute! It's Drolls and Dragons. Toys for dogs. Toss, fetch, and play. And it's a dragon. Look, BB. You see that? Does this one squeak? Ooh, yes, that one has a loud squeaker. You're gonna kill that instantly. Whoa, hey, don't hit me with that. Here, let me set it down. Can I set it down? There you go. I'll let you play with them all in just a minute. Then now, ooh, we have a step. Oh, and there's a bandana. And then, okay, hold on. How cute. Okay, so this is the third toy. She's right up again. It's, ooh, hey, there's a squeaker in the head. There's a squeaker in the head. Ma'am, can you please hold on for a second? Can you please hold on for a second? Yeah? You know you are just so excited. You are so excited. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Let me show them this one, okay? So it has a tail, as you can see. It's stuffingless, and there's two squeak. I need to find a different way so you can like, so she can be raised up and you guys can see her at like ground level and see and see everything she's doing. So they gave this little bandana, which is a spider web, which that is super, super cute. And it does have Pet Treaters logo right there. So this is cute because if it's a bigger dog, you could go wider. If it's a smaller dog, you could just keep it folded like that and put around them. So that is super cute. Anything I put on her, she acts like a little bee snitch, and she like does like backflips like she's got a horse and saddle or something going on. I don't know. Yes, and that is everything that is in there. So for $18 and free shipping, she got 3 toys that are big. They look like they're gonna be they look like they're gonna be some good quality. Hold on, they want to see you playing with them. So you can hold on a second. Yes, you can hold on a second. And then there's even a bandana. Even if the bandana wasn't there, the 3 toys is like definitely a good value. Like I said, especially with the free shipping. And I'm just so glad that this company is around, because then it's going to keep these videos for you guys and it's going to keep her happy with her toys. So that's all that matters. So if you want to see her playing with these new toys, then here you go. Hey, you're gonna take this off of you here. There you go. You cleaning the leaves? Can I see it? Can I see it? Let go. Bring it here. All right, you guys, so that was her playing with her toys, living her best life as normal, huh? Yes. So that is everything that we have to show for this particular video. Comment down below. Let me know, what do you think so far of this company? I think it's a good thing. This is a very good thing. Things always happen for a reason. It's a good thing we stopped with your other box, because this one I think you're definitely going to have more fun with. And it's more cost effective. They're going to help me save money, and it's going to help you stay happy and playing, huh? Yes. So definitely comment down below and let us know what you're thinking so far. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.